So one of the big things we did today was we talked about how do we do an effective critique. Now, a critique is when we look at someone's stuff and we provide them with constructive criticism. Notice the key word, constructive. Constructive meaning we want to build it up. So we want to take it from this level to the next level by giving them information that they could use to see new ideas or new approaches that they may have missed, or fix some things that aren't quite right to us that made sense to them, but it doesn't translate to the public audience. So the first big factor we talked about was the idea of being positive versus negative. You don't want to come in and be real critical and start slamming them for things that are missing or might not be right or up to your standards. Instead, look at the things that they did well. Discuss those. Say, hey, I really liked how you put this together. Ooh, I really like this idea. This is a really good point. You want to start with these because it creates a better conversation piece and it opens them to the dialogue that you're creating. And they're going to be more susceptible to understand, wanting to listen to your ideas. Because if we come in negative, people will want to close themselves off, and we become naturally defensive to the criticism. So it's a real challenge. That also means you as an audience got to make sure when people are giving you this feedback that you are open to it and assessing it and then going, okay, this makes sense to me. I can understand what they're doing and really look at our things. It's about being reflective, that whole self-regulation and piece where, but now we're adding input from other sources to help us get there. So first we want to make sure that we're really positive and focusing on the strengths of what we've seen. Then we move to the other part where we start to build them up, that whole constructive side of things. Now we want to do it in one of two ways. We can say, I really like this, but, or this is pretty nice. However, these adversive type conjunctions that we can use, it would set us up for, here's what we like, but what about this? So we're offering an alternative to how they could do things. So we're asking them to consider other ideas. That's one way. The other way that we discussed as a class and we came up with is there's additives. So we can use the ands. So we say, hey, this is really good. And what about if we add this? So now we're not saying, what about the first one? Adversive is talking about changing something and taking it in maybe a new direction. Additive is going, what if we add this little piece to it to maybe take it a step further? You can use both or just one approach to getting it across to the getting your information across to your audience, to the person that created the piece that you're critiquing, or you can if you focus on one, I would say you want to focus on the positive. You want to try and the additive side where you say, let's try and add this into it to make it better. But there are those opportunity or moments and opportunities to say, what about this? How about this idea? And it's making them extend it even further and maybe seeing something that they didn't see before. Critiques are really essential to the whole process. So with the games, they're giving critiques to people about the games that they created. Remember, the games were created really quickly in one day, basically. Everybody created their game, and now they're putting them out there for information and feedback. So you got to understand that this is in a narrow window, and there's some really amazing ideas that came out of that small window of time. So you want to make sure that you're supporting them moving forward. On the next project, the big project, our input from each other is essential to helping us get to that next level with all our assignments. So have some fun with this. Make sure to support each other and build each other up so that we can all be successful. That's the only way that this project works, is if we work together, the collaborative elements of supporting each other to become better students and better learners. All the best. If you have any questions, make sure to message me and I'll help you out as much as possible.